Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit. Today is 11th of May and we'll look into some of the active daily setups. So we're using daily chart here and we have around 9 months of data, and the indicator I'm using is 50 EMA RSI along with your price action setups. So we are into daily chart of DLF. So from here we see that DLF was continuously trading over 50 EMA line, and then it started making a 1 2 3 4 top on the with the lower bias. Okay, and then if you look at the bottom here, this is a support band which is around 300 to 310 rupees, and 1 and 2 places DLF have followed this band, and now it's on the lower tops from the top side. Okay, it made a top of 450, then it came till 440, then it came till 420, and then it came till 410. So it's continuously making this continuous top, trending tops on the lower side. Okay, so now we should expect DLF to come and test this band which is 300 and 310. Okay, so this is more of a trading setup. Okay, if DLF comes around 300 rupees, then that becomes an entry point with a strict stop loss of 2%. 2% means 294. So those kind of strict stop, if it goes below or closes below, one should exit from those setup. And if one enter around 300 rupees, then there should be two technical target. First technical target comes as 50 EMA line, which is 368. Okay, it is a dynamic EMA line. So as of now, the current value of the EMA is 368, but by the time this guy comes here, maybe this action take place a week time, 4-5 days, and by the time you enter here, the EMA line may come down to maybe 360 or 350. By the time it goes up, it may come down to 355. So whatever is the price or the value of the EMA at that point of time, that is your dynamic resistance. Okay, that's why it's called dynamic. So that becomes your first resistance, and if we follow this trend line, then we may hit a 400 or 390. So that becomes your second resistance. So entry around this level, and then something around 350, and then maybe 390 becomes next to resistance. So this is a trade setup. I am not suggesting any trade here. You may take your own decision and get into trade, but this is more of a setup. The next one is Axis Bank. Axis Bank we read one more time around a week before when it was trading around 690 rupees, and that time also I told that it may hit this price band of around 650 rupees, and if it hit it and reverses from here, then it becomes an entry point. Now if you see your RSIs, every time it's making this bottom, your RSIs are supporting here. So here also RSI came below what? Came below 30. Okay, so came below 30, and then its RSI is reversing. That is a positive sign. Okay, so now something around 650 or 660 is the entry point, which is already done. A couple of percent stop, as I told last time also, and then we should see a target towards 50 EMA line. Okay, so that is like 746 now. It may come down to 730 maybe in a week time. So yeah, depend on what is the dynamic value at that time, that becomes your exit point. Next is PI industry. Okay, PI industry, if we make this price action pattern here, so the bottoms are going little up. It make a 2337, then it made around 2359. So if we follow this, PI industry may come here around 2390, which should be entry point. Again, couple of percent stop loss, and we may see targets towards at least 50% retracement, 2600, 2650, and then your 50 EMA line or 30 EMA, whatever is at that time, and your RSI is already supporting this buy. Next one is Polycab. If you see Polycab here, it's following this band, hit the top, hit the bottom, couple of tops, hit the bottom. Again the trend is up, though it did not hit the top. Again hit the bottom perfectly. Again second time followed the trend, hit the bottom exactly on trend line. Again hit the top on the top trend line, broken for a couple of candles, but again reverse, and now it hitting the top, hit the top here and hitting the bottom here. So when it's hitting the bottom here, this near to this bottom is, or near to this channel is your entry point. Couple of percent stop, though it broken last time, but yeah, once would have stopped here, exit here, if you follow the system correctly. So this becomes around your 2394 is your entry point, or 2400 is the entry, couple of percent stop, and one can expect a target of 50%, which is 2600, and maybe second targets towards 2900 plus. So this is Polycab on the daily chart. So yeah, but again, I am not suggesting a trade here. You can take the advisory of your financial advisor. This is more of a technical setup that is formed on this chart. On the basis these conclusions are being drawn. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.